Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux Compact condensing dryer and on the display it's giving you an ExHF error and you're trying to figure out what this error is and is there anything that you can do to get rid of it. So first things first, this error is that the electronic control board in the dryer is sensing a fault on the control board that needs to be replaced. So you're probably going to need to replace the electronic control board, and I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a tutorial for that. However, before you take that step, because that's sort of the most expensive and hardest of the steps, the first thing you want to do is just to try to do a hard reset on your dryer, which is to turn it off, disconnect it from power for a full 5 minutes. After those 5 minutes are up, restore the power and see if the error doesn't persist. If the error persists, then you can move on to more or less replacing the control board. But before you replace it, via this tutorial, you'll be able to access the control board and you can check the wiring, make sure that nothing is damaged, disconnected, frayed, loose, etc. And repair and replace any wiring as necessary, which is cheaper than the whole control board. If the wiring all looks good, then you can move on to just replacing the control board.